You can't move. You can't move.
Or you get slimed. All right, say the magic words for help. You're the best mommy ever.
You're the best mommy ever.
You're the best daddy ever.
You're the best dad ever.
Please help me.
Okay, I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you, okay?
You're gonna dump it on me.
No, I promise. I'm gonna help you.
No, don't dunk it. Don't, Ada. You're gonna accidentally dunk it on yourself.
Oh no, how do we get this? Here, I got an idea. Hold the slime.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
Or we could just.
This is a hot mess. Oh no. Oh, yay, she's safe. What's up, guys? Welcome to SmellyBellyTV. Today we are playing Dunk Hat. But of course, Ada Bear, we're putting a SmellyBellyTV twist, right? Tell them all about it. Tell them.
So basically, we have a bunch of different ingredients than just water to put in the dunk.
Of course.
And this cup is full of little papers that have all of the things that we have to put in the dunk.
So there's no cheating. You can't just pick what you want. It's going to be luck of the draw. All right, Bears, pick your first one. Tell us what you get. Oh, yeah. You get what you get, and you don't throw a fit.
The rules of this game are simple. If you're the person wearing the hat, you do not want to get hit. If you don't get hit, then guess what? You're safe and you get to choose the next person who's going to be wearing the hat. But if you do get hit, the person that hits you gets to choose who goes next.
I got cereal and milk.
Ooh, on a nice hot day, some cold cereal and milk going down your face. Sounds delicious.
Pork chop. Pork chop. No.
You're wrecking the yard,
Pork
dude.
chop.
In your face.
Dude, pork chop.
He's gonna need a bath.
Oh my gosh. Pork chop, get out of there. Your face is so muddy now.
Nope.
We also have a good reason to be having this out here, but that's going to be coming later. Right, Rory?
Yeah.
Oh, you okay?
Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and fill her up with some cereal and milk. I put my cereal first. I know somebody who does milk first, and I feel like that is just so wrong on all levels. So comment down below, cereal or milk first when you guys make your cereal and milk.
Cereal.
Agreed.
Cereal first.
This is kind of hard to get. Okay, we're just gonna
yeah.
go for it.
Looking good, Ada.
Okay.
Oh,
We got our cereal.
tons of cereal in there. How are you feeling so far?
Great.
It's gonna be really cold. This was in the fridge, you know.
Oh,
it
geez.
is.
Oh, geez. Slow
Well,
down there, Tara. Oh, my gosh. Slow down. I don't want it to dunk on her without us hitting
Oh,
it.
geez. Is it
Okay.
too heavy?
I don't know.
No.
You might, it said not to overfill it on the
Okay,
thing.
we're good.
Oh my gosh. All right. So I think we should let Rory go first. She's going to be the first thrower. Rory, are you going to be the first thrower?
Don't hit my face.
Just try not to hit the face, but we do have safety goggles on.
Instagram photo first.
Oh, Rory's going and getting the balls. Rory, where are the balls? The balls. We need the balls.
You get to be nice and close.
Yeah,
You know
Rory
what you gotta
gets a little
hit?
closer because.
You have to hit the target, okay? Okay, throw it.
Okay, here we go.
Whoa!
Nice try, Ro.
Throw it again.
Oh, close. Getting
Last try.
close.
Last try. Oh, so close.
Oh, I think she got a little milk on her head. Oh no, that's just some cereal.
I'm gonna go next.
Well, because you're an adult, you have to be back a little ways.
I am.
Wait, what is Enzo doing in our neighbor's
I
yard?
don't know. He's exploring. Hey, to straighten out your head a little. There we go.
Oh.
I'm batting.
Oh, geez.
Oh, dang.
Oh.
All right,
so
then.
I have to get her.
So you
I
guys
have
are
to
aiming
get
for
her.
the target. It's not up here.
I have to get her, otherwise she gets to choose who wears the dunk hat next.
Yep.
This is gonna get interesting.
All right.
Oh!
You can do it.
Is this as far back?
Yeah, you're good. You can do it.
All right, Ada, which target should I go for?
I don't care.
Let's go.
Point.
Go. This is so funny.
Oh.
Come on, last shot.
Oh!
It didn't
did
dunk.
it, but it didn't go.
I say you
Oh,
get
wait.
another shot.
No. Look. Oh no, it's not going. Oh, you lucked out. No, I don't get another shot. Ada, you get to choose
Should I?
who the dunk hat goes on. And since we have cereal and milk, it's just
We'll
gonna
leave it.
stay cereal and milk.
Yep.
All right.
Who do you pick?
Well, who's up for grabs?
All
Anyone.
of us.
I
All
say
of us
Mom.
are. Me?
Yeah.
Things are about to get interesting, Ada. Go
Hey,
ahead.
you're way too close.
Okay, yeah, back up a little bit.
Like 2
A
steps
little
away.
bit.
for you.
Okay.
Okay, here it goes.
Dang it.
Oh my gosh.
Ah!
Oh, yeah.
It's so cold. Oh my gosh.
I think we need to make her stand back a little bit. That was way too close, dude.
So
Good
cool.
shot, though.
Well, it actually is kind of refreshing because it's such a hot day today.
Oh, but now it's like ruining your makeup.
It's okay. That's what we do.
Oh, wait, you're not wearing any makeup.
Oh no, I wake up looking like this.
Ada, you get to pick who goes next.
Dad.
All right, guys, I'm digging mine out. Whoops, I dropped one.
I think he's trying to cheat.
You've got to be kidding me.
What?
Chicken noodle soup.
Yes.
Chicken noodle soup. My favorite soup on my head. That doesn't sound too bad. All right.
Hey, we gotta get some soup in there. Sorry
Wait,
if I
is it
spill on you.
right? Is
Yeah,
it
it's
right? Okay.
I'll try not to spill on you. Oh no, none of the noodles are going in. We need to get some noodle action in there.
Oh, this.
Okay.
I smell it.
Well, you eat this stuff.
I know. I just ate it last night.
All right, Dad, are you ready for the Nerf gun?
We still only get 3 shots.
I guess.
You can get a little
I guess
closer
I'm
right
ready.
now. Okay.
Wait,
let's go.
closer. She's got a Nerf gun.
Oh,
A
okay.
very powerful rival's Nerf gun.
There
Go
you go.
further away. Oh, jeez. Oh, good thing she's not a good shot.
Go, last shot.
Oh,
Oh,
and
man.
that's it. You missed.
Sure how to aim
Oh
this
my
thing.
gosh. Oh.
Oh, I'm so close. Yes!
Oh, no!
Yes! I did it! How does it feel? Ah!
Oh,
Yay! Go me! Welcome to the Stinky Club. Welcome. Oh, that was hot. Well, I picked Daddy for this round.
oh my gosh. The salt from that chicken noodle soup. I don't know if I can keep going on. This is just. I don't
Well,
man.
you know what? You don't have a choice because guess who gets to pick?
Who?
Me, because I hit the target and you're going again.
You are so evil. Beans.
Beans!
I'm so not ready for beans.
How does the saying go? Beans, the magical fruit. The more you eat, the more you toot.
The more you toot, the better you feel. Let's eat beans every meal.
Well, guess
No.
what? You're gonna be wearing them today.
That's
or
right.
beans are good for your heart. The more you eat, the more you fart.
Ooh, they're fogging up out here, you guys. It's so hot in Florida. The camera is fogging
Calm down,
up.
guys, calm down. Here.
Oh my
let me get
goodness,
ya.
sorry guys.
Let me get you.
Make sure you're wearing your sunscreen today because it is a hot, sunny day today.
I wore my lotion that has sunscreen in it.
Good job. Good way to be responsible and protect your porcelain young baby skin.
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
You better not get me.
No, we get to use the Nerf gun. We don't need
No,
those.
you
we
can't
don't-
use the Nerf gun again.
Yep.
No.
My choice.
No. All right, the beans are in.
Bears, you got this?
Ada, no. No, no, no.
You get as many shots as you want. You get as many as you want.
Oh.
Keep going.
Oh.
Get the target.
Oh, no.
Aim.
Oh.
Oh!
Ada. Oh, it's so gross.
That was so good. High five.
Oh, it smells like rotten sewage.
Smells like beans. Stop being so
Oh.
dramatic.
Oh, you want some
No,
of this?
no, stay.
You
Stay.
want some
I have
of
the
this?
camera. I have the camera. Stay away.
Oh, yuck, Rory, it's disgusting. Smell it. Smell it. Can you help Daddy? Will you give me a towel?
Yeah.
There's a towel inside. You got my towel, Ro?
Such a good helper. Okay, since you hit the target, who's going next?
Me.
You're gonna pick yourself? Okay, what are you hoping to get?
Slime.
Slime. Uh-oh, you might
Did
be
we have
lucky.
slime in there? I
Yeah.
think we forgot to put slime in the
No, it's in there.
It's
in the jar.
Yeah, I did it. I got you covered.
Okay, we got slime in
Right.
there.
All right, choose your fate. What's it gonna
I'm
be?
really hoping I get
I hope that it's
I hope it's
something
tuna.
gross.
I want somebody to get tuna.
slime.
Oh, she
Yes!
got lucky.
Are you kidding me? How come you get all the good ones? And I got the beans, the chicken noodle soup. I would have loved cereal. I cannot wait to see you get slimed. You're gonna get so slimy. Oh yeah.
Fill it up.
Oh,
Rory's participating in the slime ride. All right, Rory, you can do it. Oh, that was so close. You can't turn your head.
Hit my face.
Just cover your face. Oh. Okay, one more row. Rory's just gonna keep going, I guess. Go. You ready?
Yeah, I
Okay.
will dunk you.
You get your 3 shots.
You will be dunked. Are you ready?
She's ready.
You're never gonna be ready for this because it's coming right now.
Come on, babe. You can't move your head, Ada.
Oh! Yeah!
Can I have more?
You got slimed.
You
She
want
wants more
more?
slime?
You want more slime?
Oh, we got plenty to go
I
around.
got plenty of slime for you.
More.
That was like the best slime ever. Does that feel good and refreshing?
Yeah.
It does. You pick next.
The person that I pick next is gonna be Ada Potato.
Yeah, I like that.
She's going up next.
Glad that it's not me. Thanks. Love you. I'll make you a nice dinner tonight for that.
She's getting it for nerfing me for no good reason. She nerfed
That
me.
was off camera. Nobody saw that. Pick your poison.
You're up next. I'm hoping you get toilet water or syrup.
I got syrup.
Ooh.
Yeah! Alright, I got my syrup right. Okay.
There we go.
I call that a cap, but
Oh, same difference. Oh, yeah.
okay.
Fill it up. Fill it up. You overfilled it.
I overfilled it and it fell.
And we missed it. We missed the action. All right, let's do a redo.
I smell like pancakes.
Washing her face with the hose, and she almost dunked. Oh, Tara's already going. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. And she missed 3.
Oh, I got her. I get to choose next. I got
No,
her.
you don't.
Yes, I do.
No,
I got
you
her.
automatically have to go for that. Automatically. You're next.
Nope.
Nope, you didn't use the ball. She's next, Ada, right?
Nope.
Help me, I need to hold.
Give Mr. Hosey.
Got
Give Mr. Hosey. Rinse on down.
Hose shower.
It won't come up.
Face. Okay. Mr. Hosey says bye-bye for now.
Wait,
He'll be
wait.
back later to help clean up.
I'm gonna do like the Insta thing.
Oh, yeah.
Ready?
Yep, go.
Back
Flip
to
it,
the-
girl. Flip it. Oh, jeez. It's fair and square. I got it fair and square.
All right.
Sorry that I outsmarted you. You have to go.
Alright, I guess I'm gonna do this. I grabbed 2.
So you got to do both at the same time.
I grabbed 2.
What is it? Lay it on us.
Man, this is terrible.
Oh no, what is it? Is it the tuna? He got the tuna!
Tuna.
Jesse hates fishy things. Oh, I love it.
Oh,
Okay, what else? What else is it?
not bad.
Tuna and soda.
Soda.
Maybe the flavor of the soda will mask all the tuna. So I know you guys only really get to see Diesel! He's eating the tuna for the round! Diesel, get out of here, you naughty dog! No, Diesel. No tuna. Grab it, you guys. No! Diesel, no! Grab it, Scarletti. Grab it, Scarlet. Okay. We have mud pits being created because we're trying to wash away all the slime so nobody slips and falls in the backyard. Mud pit here. Mud pit there. Here a mud pit, there a mud pit, everywhere. That made no sense.
I'm just hiding because I don't want to do the last one.
Yeah, come on, we're ready for you. Come on.
Soda, it sounds disgusting.
Let's go. Also just have a random can of chicken noodle soup out here. Looks like the dogs got at it. Of course. I mean, who just has a cans of chicken noodle soup sitting in their backyard? Only SmellyBellyTV, I can tell you who. Come on. Come on, you can't hide. We see you. You're gonna get your hair caught in that thing. Be careful. You guys, he's trying to hide from us. No. Hey, I won the last round fair and square. Come on.
I don't want to have a tuna head.
Pay up! I'll still love you though, even with the tuna head.
You will?
Yes, I promise. Plus the battery's about to die. Come on, we gotta get this going. He's still hiding. All right, you guys. If I have to chase you down with tuna, I will. There's Bear showed up to the party. Oh! Oh!
This is not right. What is he doing?
Awesome.
That's what you get.
Bears better get out of here. I don't like Jer's Bear.
house now.
They're being mean. Jared's Bears is me.
You're moving tomorrow. This is my house.
And is this payback?
Yeah.
From the no budget challenge?
Yeah.
They didn't let you get your stuff?
Yep.
You
It
think
was
you
me.
can just do that in front of all the smelly
This is because in the no budget challenge, I thought I was getting a tent and a skateboard and 3 carts worth of stuff.
No!
You better smile, boy. Turn around. It's all over. Ow!
Why am I getting so much pleasure out of this moment?
Come on, Dad.
Evil!
Ready.
All right.
Dad, it's ready.
Oh my gosh, that looks so gross.
I can't do that.
Ew!
Doing it.
Look at this.
Diesel's in that tuna. Should I get him out?
Nah, he can have the rest.
Get out of the tuna.
Oh, he's gonna smell so bad. All right, Ada's doing my dirty work for me.
You get away.
She's doing my dirty
away.
work.
No! No! Ah! Ah!
You got dunked, son.
This is gross!
Hey, you know what? Me being the cameraman, I was in the line of fire. Look it.
Oh, poor you!
Yeah.
Poor you! Do you got tuna all over your body?
Look at this. You guys, tuna everywhere. Oh my goodness.
You know what?
Let's
It's
let
insane.
Diesel lick your head clean.
Where is he?
Ada's finishing it off. Because why not? Why not? Get wrecked, dude!
Oh!
Ada.
This ain't right!
This is from.
Uh-oh,
the
Jared's Bears
mystery
has
wheel
more
challenge.
payback.
Oh! There you go. You look great. You look great.
Oh.
Let me just wash it down.
Yep, wash it down. Wash it down.
I gotta keep my defenses up.
You send Diesel out here.
Cleanup crew to the rescue. We got Jared's Bears crew here. Cleanup crew. Thank you, Scarlett. You're
Jared,
so
bring
nice.
Diesel out here to clean the tuna. There you
Oh
go!
no!
I'm glad you're helping us all out. Why weren't your Spidey senses on?
They were.
Let's sit down, Ada. I gotta get cleaned up. Yeah. Get all this tuna out.
No, bro. Yeah.
Keep
right in
scrubbing,
there.
babe. Keep
Right in
scrubbing.
there.
Keep
Right in
scrubbing.
there.
What is this? What is this? Is this meatball?
That's spaghetti and
In a
meatballs.
can. In a can. Not even the way Mama makes it.
Oh, Jared's Bears is getting it back.
He was like, "Why are you wasting that, Dad?"
You know what?
We have more cans, Justin. Don't worry. You want some? You want some to eat? No.
If you aren't subscribed to Jared's Bears, you better go and be subscribed because I'm gonna get him back. And it's gonna be bad, and it's going on his channel. He's never gonna know. He's never gonna know.
Scarlett, get him. Get him.
Scarlett's
You got
still
syrup
getting
on your
you.
butt, dude.
Now I got syrup on my butt.
Thank you guys for watching today's video. We loved it. We had so much fun. And remember to eat your pickles, kids! Ada, no! Ada, stay away. Stay away. You stay away from the cameraman.